morning, my name's Ryan Newton, Simon TNC. Here we are again with the Traub TNC65. As you can see, we're making good headway. The external perimeter guards have gone, disappeared. We give them a good clean down, took the framework off and everything's away. That can be away for shot blasting and powder coating. You can see that we've got just the slides left. All the hydraulic manifolds, the pipework, the cabling has all been cut back. The cabinet's completely disconnected, leaving me good room to lift all these slides off. We've got the $1 XZ Y axis, got the $2 X and Z axis, and again $1 opposite spindle V axis. So all that can be lifted off, removing the bulkhead and just exposing the bed. And that way we can really get amongst it all, give it a good clean down, paint the bed and start from scratch and give it a good rebuild. As you can see, we're making good progress with the servo motors, all stripped, cleaned, ready for paint. Here's just a few of the bits, including the main hydraulic manifold. As you can see, it's cleaned up really well. All the gear's now on order. All the turret's going to be stripped down. We're going to replace all the seals, O-rings, glid rings, bearings in the drive, on the driven tools, everything like that. Obviously the service kit's going to be done with the belts, the wipers, the moulded wipers, relays, batteries and all those types of things. Servo cables, feedback cables, encoder cables, motor power cables, all going to get changed. And obviously your standard proximity switches, proxy cables and all your valves, solenoid plug cables and things like that, all on order, all waiting to be delivered. All we've got to do now is remove these slides and get them stripped down. So that's today out the way. We managed to remove the slides, the ball screws are ready, Z's and V's, ready for shipment to refurb. Give it a good clean down next week, get it painted, new rails on, and then she'll be ready to accept the slides once they're rebuilt.